Hello, my dear students. Today we are here at the last tense, that is future perfect continuous tense. So, what is the future perfect continuous tense? It is a tense that describes action that will be ongoing or in a progress up to the specific point in the future. For example, if I am my business today, right? So I will be starting the business today. Today is August 25 August. So I will say I will say that by the next year it will have been a 1 year completed for my business. In the next year, August, it will have been 1 year completed, or it will have been an anniversary of my business or of my project. So, for example, another example, for example, I have starting of playing a cricket or volleyball or any game today. From today, I am starting to learn it how to play. So in the next week, it will have been 1 week completed for me to play the cricket. So what is the meaning of that? That is the meaning we are using here, future perfect tense. So I will tell you what is here. I will give you one example for the affirmative sentence. The subject plus will have plus been plus verb plus ing is used, and we will have been I will have been eating a vegetable for 2 months. मैं 2 महीने vegetables खाता रहूँगा. That is the Hindi version of that. Then I will not have been, मतलब मैंने अभी वेजिटेबल्स खाना चालू किया है आज, फर्स्ट डे ऑफ इट. ओके. देन 2 महीने तक, फॉर द नेक्स्ट 2 months. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ दिस इज अगस्त, सितंबर एंड अक्टूबर. तो 2 महीने तक मैं मैं वेजिटेबल्स खाता रहूँगा. तो मैं देखूँगा व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस इन माय बॉडी और व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस इन माय डेली रूटीन. आफ्टर दैट, ये देखने के लिए मैं वेजिटेबल्स खाता रहूँगा. देन आई वोंट हैव बीन ईटिंग वेजिटेबल फॉर 2 months. मैं 2 महीने के लिए वेजिटेबल्स नहीं खाता रहूँगा. ओके. तो ये भी है नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. दैट इज आई वोंट हैव बीन ईटिंग वेजिटेबल फॉर 2 months. विल नॉट इज यूज्ड और वोंट इज यूज्ड हियर. विल आई हैव बीन ईटिंग वेजिटेबल फॉर 2 months? क्वेश्चन मार्क इज देयर. तो मैं 2 महीने तक वेजिटेबल्स खाता रहूँगा. ये है उसका हिंदी वर्जन. And the structure is will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb form of ing plus other sentence. Okay. Then will have been is used to tell that in the future, if the action is started now, then how to tell it in a future. Future continuous. Yes, future perfect continuous tense. So here I have taken example for all the subjects, that is I, you, we, he, she, it, they and Ram. So I have said here I will have been playing, but this is a half sentence, as it does not tell us what and when we are going to what is the main thing in the sentence. So here I will have been playing till the last of this year, ending of the year. I will have been playing till ending of this year, we can say like that. Okay. मैं ईयर एंडिंग तक खेलता रहूँगा, ये उसका मीनिंग हुआ. ओके. So this is how we will construct this sentence by using will plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb. ओके मतलब इतने ड्यूरेशन के लिए, हाँ राइट, इतने ड्यूरेशन के लिए मैं खेलता रहूँगा, मैं गाता रहूँगा, मैं काम करता रहूँगा, इतने ऐसा, दिस इज द टाइप ऑफ द फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. ओके, गॉट इट? थैंक यू.